Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. Please consider subscribing by hitting the red button below so you don't miss out on all the fun we have over here. And if you are not new here, hey girl, y'all might have known I was gonna do this one. I didn't even know I was gonna do this one because I didn't even know this bag was coming out. I didn't know it existed, that it was a thing, but you know what? Let me just go ahead and get into it. So I have this really big FedEx box right here, and I'm gonna try to open this. Okay, so I'm trying to open this on camera with y'all because it's fun that way. But yeah, I don't know where my scissors are, so we're using keys. Sometimes we are slightly rache over here. Okay. And this is just the types of things that we have to do. So, oh, that actually worked out fairly well, y'all. Okay. So, make sure I'm not showing anything. There we go. So, this is what we're looking like so far. Y'all see the vibes. Okay, so this is the bag and how it comes. So we are just going to open this. And take it out of the clear wrapping. And then it's wrapped in this white tissue paper. And this is what we are. Ooh, that looks really white on camera. It's not white, but yeah, that's how it's coming. I think you can tell it's not white. But yeah, let me just go ahead and take this off the handles as well. So y'all already know I have basically the original UGG Telfar bag that everybody knew about and everybody was trying to order. Pre-ordered from Saks. Might still be waiting on their orders. So I saw that they were going to release this one because I'm signed up for Telfar emails, as you all should be, because that's how, you know, you stay on top of what he's dropping and everything. So this is I believe they call this the Reverse UGG shearling tote. So yeah, I see it has reverse right here. So you know what, let me pull down the original one for y'all so I can go ahead and compare real quick. So this is the original shearling collaboration that they did with UGG. So it has like this, I don't know, what does UGG call this, but it's this material right here. And then it has like the shearling part is like right here. Just kind of around the edges versus, and what did they, let me see. Oh, I don't have the tag on this one. So I don't know. I already took the tag off because I've already worn this one. But let me see what they have on here. Yeah, so they're calling the color natural. And I'm just looking to see if it has anything else I should have on here. Oh, I didn't know this. So it says, way back in 2010, we made an unauthorized, deconstructed UGG classic boot, the centerpiece of our fall winter show. That was way before collaborations were a thing, before accessible was considered fashionable, and before a Black-owned gender-free label was considered possible. We've got a long way to go. Better dress comfortable. So yeah, I can know that. But this one has the fur, and it said it's like made from genuine real fur from sheep. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin is Australia. So this has the fur basically making up the complete bag versus just lining the edges like it was on the first one that they came out with, which is why this one is called the Reverse. And as far as the straps, these are the same on both bags, the exact same. So basically the only difference between these two is that it's the reverse as far as what the body is made out of. It still has the UGG Telfar kind of patch there on the back. So that's still the same. And of course, you know, bag size is the exact same. But a lot of people actually did not go for this one. I'm in a Telfar group on Facebook, and they were talking about how they were scared of it, which I totally get. You know, you can treat it and everything, but they didn't want to basically ruin the bag. But I loved it when I saw it, so I definitely hopped on, made sure I got it. And these were available, I think because people were so scared of it. These were available for a really long time because y'all know usually Telfar sells out in like 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes max. I went on their website a couple of hours later and this was still available. So these did not sell well at all, which I'm not mad at because I know one thing about these were that it feels like everyone had them eventually, which I don't mind because I definitely have bags that everyone has and bags that everyone doesn't have, so it's okay to have that nice mixture. Versus I feel like these you aren't seeing everywhere. And let me try to get closer for y'all just so y'all can see, because it looks basically just like a color from back here. Let me get closer. So yeah, this is, yeah, that's a really good shot. This is what we're working with. As far you can see the texture and everything on the bag. This is the actual color and what it actually looks like. So yeah, it's super, super cute. And then just also an up close of this one. So this one was showing pretty true back there as well, but this one wasn't as much. So yeah, this is super, super cute. I'm so glad I have it in my collection. I will say that this one was also more expensive than this one was, which makes sense because if they're using real fur for these, obviously this was just, you know, fur trimmed versus this is mostly made of fur. And then as far as the, open up the inside of the bag, it's just a regular lining. As you can see here, it doesn't have the, it's not the fur lining on the inside. So yeah, just the standard Telfar lining. You have a back zipper pocket, and then the rest of it is basically just the deep hole. But yeah, this is super, super cute. I feel like you can wear it with a lot of different things. I definitely have some ideas in mind for this. And let me know if you saw this bag. Comment down below if you saw this, if you've seen this bag before, or if you saw it and passed on it because you were scared of it. But you know, everybody has to, you know, do what's gonna work for their collection. But yeah, I'm super excited to wear this one and style it as well. Speaking of, make sure that y'all are following me over on Instagram as well. Same name as here, HP Life and Style, because basically that's where I upload, you know, my outfit of the day pictures, reels, all of that fun stuff. And let me know if you have any questions about the bag. I think I did I'll probably do a what's in my bag for one of these soon. I think I did one for my pink Telfar, but it's been a while. But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.